Dear friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve profit and loss problems using formula. So let's begin today's video. There are some basic terms we used in profit and loss, and these are the terms we used in our daily life. First term is cost price. It is the money paid by the shopkeeper to the manufacturer. Next term is selling price, and it is the price at which the shopkeeper sells the goods. Next we have profit. When selling price is greater than cost price, in that case we have profit, and it is the difference of SP and CP. Profit percentage is calculated on cost price. So when profit percentage is given, we can calculate SP. So it is CP plus profit percent of CP, and this value will give the selling price. Next term is loss. When cost price is greater than selling price, in that case shopkeeper suffers a loss, and value of loss is given by CP minus SP. So when there is loss percent, we subtract loss percent of CP from CP, and this value will give the value of selling price, right? We have some formulae used in profit and loss. First formula is to calculate profit percent. Profit percent is calculated on CP. It is given by profit divided by CP into 100. We have already covered how to calculate percentage in percentage video. You can find the link given in the description box. Here profit is SP minus CP. Next we have loss percent. To calculate loss percent, we divide loss by CP and then we multiply by 100. Here loss is CP minus SP, right? So using these two formula, we can calculate value of SP and CP as well. SP is calculated as 100 plus profit percent into CP divided by 100. Or we can write it like 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 into CP. So this formula is used when there is profit. When there is loss and loss percentage is given, we can calculate SP using this particular formula, 100 minus loss percent into CP divided by 100. In similar way, we can calculate cost price. So cost price is given by 100 into SP divided by 100 plus profit percentage when there is profit. When there is loss, CP is calculated as 100 into SP divided by 100 minus loss percentage. So using these formula, we can calculate value of any unknown term, right? So let's solve some of the problems. First problem we have is, by selling a book for 360 rupees, 20% profit was earned. What is the CP of the book? In this case, SP is given and profit percentage is given, right? We need to calculate the value of cost price. So in this case, we have formula, and formula is CP equals to 100 into SP divided by 100 plus profit percentage. So using this formula, we can calculate value of cost price, 100 into 360 divided by 100 plus 20. So 100 plus 20 is 120. So when we divide this value by 120, answer will be 300. So in this way, we can calculate cost price. Next question is, by selling a bicycle for rupees 2850, a shopkeeper gains 14%. If the profit is reduced to 8%, find the selling price of bicycle. In this case, we need to calculate the selling price when profit is 8%. And the given information is, selling price of bicycle is 2850 when gain is 14%. So from given information, we can calculate value of CP. We have formula CP equals to 100 into SP divided by 100 plus profit percentage. So putting the corresponding value of SP and profit percentage, Value of CP is 2500. Now profit is reduced to 8%. Now profit percentage is 8. We need to calculate the selling price. We have already calculated value of CP. So using this particular formula, SP equals to 100 plus profit percentage into CP divided by 100, we can calculate value of SP, and this is equals to 2700. So selling price is 2700 when profit is reduced to 8%, right? Next question is, a person incurs 5% loss by selling a watch for rupees 1140. At what price should the watch be sold to earn 5% profit? So this is similar to previous question. In this case, loss percentage is given, SP is given, so we can calculate value of CP. Now in this case we have loss, so formula will be 100 into SP, 100 minus loss percentage. Now value of CP will be 100 into 1140 divided by 100 minus 5. After calculating this value, CP is 1200 rupees. Now we need to calculate the price when profit is 5%. So profit percentage is 5. Value of CP is 1200. We can calculate the selling price using this particular formula. 100 plus profit percent into CP divided by 100. So after putting these value of SP is 1260. So at this price, watch should be sold to earn 5% profit. Next question is, a book vendor sold a book at a loss of 10%. Had he sold it for rupees 108 more, he would have earned a profit of 10%. Find the cost of the book. So in this case, we need to calculate the cost price of the book. So we need to calculate the cost of the book. So we will assume the cost of the book be X. Now the book vendor sold a book at a loss of 10%. So when CP is X and loss percentage is 10%, we can calculate the selling price. So to calculate selling price, we have formula 100 minus loss percentage into CP divided by 100. So selling price will be 90 into X divided by 100, and this is equals to 9 divided by 10X. Now it is given, if he had sold it for 108 more, he would have earned a profit of 10%. So in case of 10% profit, selling price will be 100 plus profit percentage into CP divided by 100, and this is equals to 11 by 10X. Now this selling price is 108 more than the first selling price. So SP2, this particular value 11 by 10X is greater than this selling price by 108. So after writing this, SP2 equals to this SP1 plus 108, we can calculate the value of X, and after calculating this, value of X is 540. So this is the cost price of the book. Hope this particular solution is clear. If you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment box. Next question we have is, if Aditya sells an article to Nutan at 10% gain, while Nutan sells it to Manish at 20% gain at rupees 1914, then what is the cost price? So in this case, Aditya sells to Nutan and Nutan sells it to Manish, and we need to calculate the cost price. So first we will assume cost price be X, and for Aditya profit percentage is 10. So selling price will be 110 upon 100 into CP, as we have the formula to calculate SP when profit percentage is given. So it is equals to 11 by 10X. Now for Nutan, this particular price is cost price, and profit percentage is 20 as it is given. Nutan sales is to Manish at 20% gain. So we can calculate SP. So SP will be 100 plus profit percentage, and that is 120 divided by 100 into CP. So value of CP for Nutan is 11 by 10x because Aditya sells article to Nutan. So the selling price for Aditya becomes cost price for Nutan, right? So after writing cost price 11 by 10x, value of SP will be 12 by 10 into 11 by 10x. Now according to question, Nutan sells it to Manish at 1914. So value of this SP will be 1914 and value of SP is 12 by 10 into 11 by 10x and it is equals to 1914. After calculating this, value of x is 1450. So this is the cost price of the article, right? We can solve this type of question using different approach. In another method, we assume cost price be 100. So for Aditya, cost price be 100. Now Aditya sold it to Nutan at 10% gain. So 10% of 100 is 10 itself. So 100 plus 10 is 110. So for Aditya, selling price is 110. Now for Nutan, it is the cost price. Now Nutan sold it to Manish at 20% gain. So 20% of 110 plus 110 is equals to 132. If you have doubt how to calculate percentage, you can refer the percentage video link given in the description box. Now this selling price is according to this particular CP. So when CP is 100, selling price for Nutan is 132. According to question, it is given Nutan sells it to Manish at 1914. Using unitary method, we can calculate the actual cost price and value of cost price will be 100 divided by 132 into 1914. And when we calculate this, value will be 1450. So using both the methods, we can calculate the value of CP. Now we have one shortcut formula. When two articles are sold at same price, now the condition is both the articles must be sold at same price, but one of them at a profit and another at a loss, and the condition is percentage profit is the same as the percentage loss. In this scenario, we have always a loss and it is given by profit or loss percentage divided by 10 whole square. So let's solve one problem based on this particular formula. Question is, each of two car is sold for rupees 1000. The first one is sold at 25% profit and the other one at 25% loss. What is the percentage loss or gain in the deal? So in this case, selling price of both car is same and that is 1000 rupees. One is sold at 25% profit and another one at 25% loss. So we have common profit and loss percentage. So in this deal we have loss as we have discussed earlier. Now the percentage loss we can calculate using shortcut formula. The common percentage that is given divided by 10 whole square, 25 divided by 10, that is equals to 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5 is equals to 6.25 percentage. So using this particular shortcut formula, we can calculate the loss percentage in the deal. We don't need to calculate the cost price of each car. We can directly calculate the loss percentage in the deal, right? Hope this particular idea is clear to you. If you have any doubt, any query in any of the questions, you can write me in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you very much.